Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
What do you mean in Egyptian is قصدك إيه? قصدك إيه? Okay, if you are asking a male, if you are asking a female, you say قصدك إيه. So قصدك إيه for male or قصدك إيه for female, and this is one of the really common phrases that you can use in any language, and also of course Arabic included. So قصدك إيه for male, قصدك إيه for female. In modern standard Arabic it's slightly different. So to say what do you mean, you say ماذا تعني. If you are asking a male, ماذا تعني? ماذا تعني? So ماذا is what and تعني is the verb you mean, okay? ماذا تعني? For female, the alternative for female is ماذا تعنين. تعنين. You can also say تعنين if you have a movement on the last letter, or if you stop on the last letter you say تعنين. So ماذا تعنين or ماذا تعنين, or this is for female. So ماذا تعني, ماذا تعنين.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.